All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about breaking stuff. All right, I did a video a while ago talking about breaking stuff and, the understanding that, you break too much stuff, you might find yourself looking for a job and not in the fun way. Let's talk about when you break stuff, because in this industry, I'm sorry, if you're a consumer watching this video, stuff breaks that you do not intend to simply because you got to take it off. That's a fact of life. If you work on BMWs or Volkswagens, their plastic, sucks. You touch it, it breaks. But here's the important thing. A shop owner should understand that stuff's gonna break. You gotta understand that you can't be sitting there trying to cover it up with epoxy or duct tape or electrical tape. You need to come clean. You need to fix the car right so the customer gets a proper repair. And I got a great example right here. This hose right here came off a Jeep Liberty today. Another shop diagnosed it needing a leak detection pump and a gas cap. Now, it might have needed a leak detection pump, might have needed a gas cap, I don't know. This plastic, this rubber hose ain't supposed to be there. And dang sure that hole right there shouldn't be there. Had a nice little leak on this hose. It wasn't expensive. We got it from the dealer. They had it to us the same day. Common problem for this hose to break. So I don't know whether they cut it, they broke it, they were just trying to fix it. I don't know, but this is not a proper repair. Especially when that's how easy it was for me to break it. Don't do that. Come clean and make sure the customer's car is fixed right. I'm gonna do a little story. Now, I've been at this shop since we opened the doors, coming up on 5 years. Right after we opened, I was working on a Cadillac. I put my hand on the radiator, and this little pinky right here touched, like that much effort, broke a nipple off the radiator. So the shop had to eat a radiator. Was it a huge deal? Not really. Stuff like that's gonna happen. No matter how long you've been doing it, stuff like that's gonna happen. You're gonna stick your arm somewhere, you're gonna move your arm a little bit, and something's gonna break. Been there, done that, still doing it to this day. I don't care how long you do it, there's gonna be little breaks like that. Obviously, you wanna minimize it, but I know new guys coming into this industry, you might get that boss that, hopefully they don't have that attitude, but some shop owners do, some service riders do, but that is a fact of life. I don't care how long you've been doing it, stuff's gonna break. Now, if you're breaking a bunch of stuff, again, you're probably gonna be needing a job. When it comes down to it, in this business, stuff that wasn't part of the repair is gonna break sometimes. So, unfortunately, you just gotta deal with it. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification and turn notifications on all so you get notified when I put out a new video, because YouTube has to change notifications over and over and over again for some reason. So thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.